Hello, I'm Dr. John McKeown, the CEO of Allergy Standards. Zoholics is such an important event for us because it gives our team the opportunity to really go deep and understand more about the various Zoho platforms that we use every day. Trust in our business is really important. We not only handle our own data internally, but we have to handle trusted data from our clients. We validate products that are helpful to improve the indoor environment, and that's a really big promise to keep. So it's vital that we have a trusted enterprise solution that we know the integrity of our data will stand up to scrutiny. That's why it was such an honor for Sachin, the MD of Zoho UK, to use our case study in his opening keynote at this year's Zoholics. So thank you to all the Zoho team and enjoy the case study.
Let's look at the case of Allergy Standards. They are, if you will, in the business of trust. Right? They certify allergy-friendly products for some of the best global brands. And you can imagine one wrong certificate, one error of judgment can mean that their label could lose its significance overnight. And prior to Zoho, as you know, when they were growing up, all these approvals, this data used to be spread between spreadsheets and emails. And as their business was growing, they didn't find that to be a sustainable model. And they decided to build a secure central approval system on Zoho Creator. Now certificates are generated digitally, signed digitally, shared with all the stakeholders in real-time basis. Hundreds of hours saved, thousands of emails avoided. Importantly, the trust is reinforced at every touch point.
We've put together a few QR codes to make things easier for you. If you enjoyed this section of Sachin's keynote at Zoholics UK and want to watch the full session, simply scan the QR code on screen. It'll take you straight to the full keynote on YouTube. Our next QR code takes you to our news article, The 5 Pillars of Resilience, How UK Businesses Can Navigate an Uncertain Economy. That's where we've summed up the highlights from Sachin's keynote. The last QR code is a link to the Allergy Standards case study, where you'll see how Zoho CRM became a real success story. Thank you for watching. Want to discover how Zoho can support and grow your business? Head over to onecloudconsultants.com to learn more.